Hi, my name is Mohammed, and here we want to solve an ordinary differential equation with initial value. And here we have dy over dx is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 5 multiplied by exponential of y minus 10 multiplied by sine of x. And we want to solve this problem with ODEint from scipy library, and let's go for coding. I want to use Jupyter, and you can use VS Code or VS Code Viewer or PyCharm. First of all, we need to import our library. Need numpy as np, and for the next line, this is from scipy. This is very popular. .integrate. Oh, .integrate. .integrate. Import ODEint. This is our solver to this differential equation, and import matplotlib for plotting .pyplot as plt. And first of all, we should define our function. We have this function, and we should define that. Define model y and x. X is the x here. We have differential 2x, and x is the second part of our model. And define dy dx is equal to x to the power of 3 x to the power of 3 minus 5 multiplied by, we want to recall exponential. We should use numpy library in this form. And what is that? Minus 10 multiplied by sine of x. And here also we need numpy library, sine of x, and return dy dx. And then we should use initial value. Initial value is y at 0 is equal to 1. Initial value. And then we should define our interval, line space from 0, from 0 to maybe 5. And after that, we should solve our equation with ODEint. And the first is the model, model, as you hear, should recall our model, and then our initial value, and then x. We have differential equation with respect to x. So after that, we can plot plt.plot x for the x-axis and h and plt dot show. Let's run it. Oh, run. We have the error plt dot plot x. Oh, you can use y. Run. Initial value. Oh, initial. Maybe yes. Initial. I have made a mistake. And here we have our y for versus x's. And thank you for watching our channel. Let's subscribe. Please subscribe us and go to the next video. Thanks.